Looking for ways to maximize the storage space in your Honda? Whether you're hitting the road for an adventure or just need to keep your vehicle organized, Honda Genuine Accessories have got you covered. In this video, we're diving into the top interior storage solutions that will help keep your interior neat, tidy, and functional. First up, we have the cargo bin. This durable bin is perfect for storing smaller items that might otherwise roll around in your trunk. It's custom fit for your Honda, designed to ensure your items stay in place, giving you a cleaner, more organized cargo space. Whether you're carrying groceries, sporting gear, tools, or emergency supplies, this bin makes sure everything stays where it's supposed to. Next, let's combine two of the most effective storage solutions, the in-bed trunk cargo net and the cargo net. These versatile nets are perfect for keeping everything from larger items in the trunk or bed to smaller loose items organized and secure. Together, these nets provide extra security for all your belongings, ensuring that nothing moves around during your drive. Looking for a solution to keep your smaller everyday essentials in check? Check out the utility bin. This compact, sturdy bin fits neatly in your vehicle's footwells or cargo areas. It's ideal for staying organized, ensuring your important items are easy to access whenever you need them. And last, but certainly not least, the rear underseat storage system. This is a hidden gem that lets you make use of the often overlooked space under your seats. Perfect for storing valuable items or anything you want to keep out of sight. It's discreet, secure, and adds that extra layer of functionality that makes your vehicle feel even more tailored to your needs. With these Honda Genuine Accessories, you can make the most out of your vehicle's interior. Whether you're looking for a way to secure your cargo, keep your essentials organized, or find hidden storage solutions, these accessories are designed with your needs in mind. Ready to upgrade your Honda with these interior storage solutions? Visit our website, give us a call, or stop by Williams Honda of Elmira today.